Today we're making Cypriot Paximadia. Easy, crunchy, and perfect the coffee. Put aside your flour, half teaspoon mastica, half teaspoon maklepi, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 packet the Greek yeast. Get 1 cup of warm water, 2 spoons tahini, turn him so it's going nice. Squeeze here 1 cup the juice, put this one in here, and slowly we mix him up. Put in the bench, some more flour, and kneading him until he's nice, smooth, and it's not sticky your hands. 1 clean bowl, put him aside, cover him, and leave him sleeping so it's grow up. In 1 pot, put aside your sesame, fill him up some water, turn him on the gas, and when he's covered boiling, we turn him off. Drain him, now spread him out your towel. When he's ready, punch him out the air, cutting him into small pieces. Now roll your balls to sticks and cut them to pieces. Roughly 1 centimeter and 15 centimeter. They're gonna going smaller, still growing a little bit. Roll them the seeds, put them in 1 tray, cover them and keep going till you're done. It's many sticks. Now do your cross the top and put them in the oven, 160 degrees Celsius. 30 minutes, it's got the color. Now leave them cool down half an hour. Turn down the oven. Now put them back inside till it's dry and finished. 1.5 hours, she's done. Fix your coffee, little bit halloumi with your olives. Put what you're needing, dip her. It's bloody beautiful, mate.